Hi, I'm Mustard, and welcome to today's grand challenge, where I'll take 3 random character design ideas from my shorts and smush them all into an OC. I know it sounds a little crazy, but trust me, the final results are going to blow your mind. So now, without further ado, let's roll the lucky traits. Ooh, interesting. So we got corrupted tar arms, slime arms, and melted colored eyes. And I know just what to do with them. So, let's get sketching. I wanted to use these ideas for a school team OC, which honestly, I can't lie that they are perfect for a demonic twist. So I chose for the design to look like an ordinary student turned into a monster. And every monster needs a past form, right? So our OC will start out as just a normal regular kid. I'm giving him a standard but not too generic school uniform and messy hair. He'll be the kind of kid who tries not to be noticed. He's maybe a little lonely, keeps to himself, and just wants to get through the school day. But this isn't just any ordinary school. No, it's actually covered in all kinds of secrets and monster-looking entities hiding in every corner. Occasionally, someone unlucky, or maybe just too curious, ends up being the target of some of those monsters. Our schoolboy here, he's the latest victim. I imagine that the melted color eyes are the first stage of his transformation. The entity seeps into him and the world literally starts melting before his eyes. I'm using these vibrant, almost neon colors, letting them drip down his face like toxic tears. It's pretty, but also super unsettling, right? Now onto the star of this design, the corrupted tar arms mixed with the slime arms. The tar monster doesn't just give him power, it becomes a part of him. Void black, shiny, slimy tar but alive, it twists and reshapes and maybe even sees. The extra melted eyes embedded in the tar sure make things extra unsettling. It's like the tar is alive and seen through a dozen different eyes. This part is so much fun because everything's super dynamic. You can just exaggerate the arms, add drips, make the arms way too long, and it still fits the vibe. I also added the demon horns because why not? It kind of balances his silhouette a little. Okay, the concept art is done. Now, to make him move, we're going to use a technique called twinning or puppet animation. To do that, I need to prepare the artwork by breaking it into separate, clean illustrations so we can freely animate it on After Effects. Each part that needs to move independently has to be on its own layer. The head, the torso, the forearm, the hand, and even the little eyes on the arms, everything has to be a separate piece. The key here is to draw the full shape of each part, even the areas that will be hidden. So, what's the deal with these lockers? The legend among the students is that they weren't put there to hold things, but it is to contain something. An ancient tar-like demon that was trapped within them decades ago. But nobody ever found it until this kid was unlucky enough to open the wrong locker at the wrong time. The tar monster floated from between the locker doors and latched onto him, using him as a vessel. Now, whenever he loses control, the tar takes over, and the more he uses it, the bigger the monster he becomes. Whoops, I almost forgot to paint the line art of one of the arms there. And we're done! Ready for the grand reveal? Ta-da! And there you have it. From 3 random ideas to a fully rendered OC and animation. It just goes to show that a little spark of inspiration can lead to something amazing. Honestly, making this OC was kind of fun. It's been a while that I didn't let random ideas choose how the character would look. And I especially had a lot of fun fleshing out the Lawrence backstory, because between you and me, I haven't made OCs in a while. But, before you leave this video, what do you think? Should I do more stuff with this OC? Let me know in the comments down below. And of course, if you want to see more wild character ideas turn into more OCs, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that like button. See you next time. Bye!